Campus Africa.
Stylish, 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 stylish. Yeah, yeah. It be another weekend, the sun is so low, more could get groovy. And maybe you hurting, Charlie forget more could just jolly. Your time will come, but until then, don't give up, no. Get your hustle up with a little prayer, make you bust a move. Yo, it's the funky weekend party hitting you right here. Get your dancing shoes, tell your problems you don't care, and let the groove put you in the mood to bust a move with these rhymes. So just to flip the mood in here. We in our element, right? We see how we the kick it with finesse and no be lie. A bunch of guy made things till we die. I chewing on this haters, why they bless me all the time. In the zone, game flawless with such elegance, pretty evident how I represent to the critic dams. And I got an eye out for the super fine jam with a super plan to make me a better man. Shit the fire to my soul while you trying to match it. You ain't bought my games.
Nazi, tell me that one. Nazi, tell me that one. You lie in the morning. Only terror movement. Hey, my friend, Mr. I'm setting your man on my soul. No, oh, many a bro. Mama, if I go to many a break. Oh, Terra and Casa Mission 101, but many Casano yellow like be or jazz or training be. Tell I intend a way I'm a couple in time about it. Today, my guidelines, my procedure, and now. Do you really know what you are asking for? What? Do you know what? It takes only the brave, okay, to be part of the Scorpion on campus. Brave. Me see the whole campus cry, obi enim me cry, even security my girl whom you touch your mommy. And I brave now, okay. Master mommy procedures na you should do your best. I beg, make blow and stuff. It's any day Charlie man procedures na. Charlie blow and stuff.
What's the campus? Any man and your man. Oh sorry, best. No man and your man campus. I person will be join Scorpions.
Best now can no show. Okay, them person me no be kasa in background I show. Be my mommy stuff me na. Charlie. Okay. You know, one kasa na body. So that's why me couple. Atianse. Me na be kasa. What you say? Atianse. Me kasa. Nye be kosu bia no. Mama wan so ati no yawa.
Bless me all the time. In the zone, game flawless with such elegance, pretty evident how I represent to the
which better I don't please.
Come on. Okay. Let me ask you this question. The last time that I ate from my place, who prepared it?
Wasn't it your friend?
Who?
It was your friend.
He will poison you.
What the hell are you doing here? Are you crazy? Are you out of your mind? Guys, I don't know what to say. Are you out of your mind? No. What are you doing with this guy? Why are you disgracing me here?
Okay.
You know what? Calm down. And you! I want to give you last warning. Don't let me see you close. I said close, or the word is ever. I don't want to see you ever with my sister. Do you hear me? Well, I don't know why you even saying me that make him follow you. I don't know. But you know what? I've given you my word. This is a simple warning. Do you hear me? A simple warning. You hear from, I bet you know me on this campus. You hear from me again. And you, I'm telling you, you're smiling, you're doing like...
Oh no, you just hit me.
Come on, that was just a simple thing I gave you. You know what? Let me see you in 30 minutes time. Do you hear me? And you hear from me on this campus.
Look at me. Am I okay? Look, I don't like the way your brother is treating me. I don't like it.
He hated me. It was very painful.
Anyway, I'll see you tonight.
Please, don't forget to call me, okay?
It's a pressure on mom there too much.
Oh, what's happening?
My catch was in Yantubase. Scanning the memo. So, my cousin Yantubase and Yantubase. I hear you go chop. How much you go spend?
It is how. That is a girls be munam campus how date back.
Me. Oh, that one day I forget to. Me a day fanboy. It be done with they rush me.
Are you sure?
Charlie, trust me. Me a damn it to us. I go blow my head up.
So are you sure?
Charlie.
I'm not sharing with anybody.
Charlie, see me one person. I love you.
Love you more.
Obi because I love you. But Charlie, forget your money. I'm gonna
The heart of the God got this feeling so defined. The fella don't get the nerve to.
Irritate you.
I am cringes. I see a one. Sit what's up?
But you what's up? Why? Every day you keep putting us in suspense. Why?
Oh, you know my fault. Just one or two appointments. You say me, I get degree in concern. We see that thing. So
you made
that. You made that.
Come.
Charlie, what's up?
Come.
You are the fool. You are. What's up? What happened?
Nothing. You know something? The Scorpio. I want you to do something for me. Just bring me information. That pet.
I mean, you say that one be simple. Me, I get PhD in doing that since I mean,
get degree or PhD, and every day you keep putting us in suspense. Why?
Oh, I relax. You know me. I get job here, Charlie.
I said, you just get closer to them. Get me the information. That pet.
Quick, sharp.
Yeah. Over Paul.
With a super fine jam, with a super plan to make me a better man. Shit the fire to my soul while you trying to match it. You ain't bought my games and you wanna bust me out here. Whatever it is that I did to make you feel the way you do, Charlie, it be life and sometimes it no be fair. That be why this before my G's trying to make it.
What the hell? Hey, shut up. Do you know Asia? Who is she? See, I'm in Kolo Kama, so what I say. Janina wouldn't make it show so big in here. What are you talking about? It seems she doesn't get it though. Do you know Sel? What's wrong with him? Asia's big that. Oh, so we're the brat. Hey! They just slapped me. I wait for more.
See, big girls don't brag. I don't fight over rotten meat. But you know one thing, that guy, he has won my heart. There is no way you, this bastard, can get that guy. Trust me. And if you dare, I'll split your blood. Trust me. Asshole. Oh, big girls don't brag.
Shut up! You know, John, your opportunity, man. Queen Josie campus has it. But listen, guy need to stay away. Simple. Big girls. Fighting over a guy. You can go ahead. For him.
For one side, yeah, but for the corner there, you know you crowd, we get some for the packet. We thank God for the blessing, He reign every day. See new days to push hard in any given way. In this industry, we here to stay, we no go fade away.
So, how do I do that?
What is wrong with you? Do you want to break my door?
Don't break our door. So what about that?
What has come over you? What is wrong?
What about that to you? You deserve this. Why this action? I told you are dating those stupid girls.
Which girls are you talking about?
It girls. All because of you, so.
Mimi,
So
Charlie, I don't want that matter. Charlie, shun them.
I gave you my body.
Shun them.
About that girl from you.
I also gave you my body. I fucked you. What did I do?
Right? So I'm talking to you. Oh, I'm talking to you.
Are you here to fight me?
I'm for myself.
I told you before I'm not dating that girl. So what else do you want me to say?
Hey, you know what? Let this be the first and last you come close to me. Still, it's over.
Cups in the air, Moku celebrate.
2 minutes.
Moku celebrate. It's been a long time coming. Yeah, let's have fun. Where, why? One love, BMG.
Seriously, I also talk about Chakrami at the home. Charlie, me go talk. Hey, I know you say. Charlie, you come out. No, the man, but you say book now number 1. Why? Yeah, Charlie, well, I mean, there's someone can just say, you see, the small girl, so I just want me to go chop, that's all. I'm not going to forget that one. That guy, he didn't learn. I'm not sure he get brain. That guy, he didn't learn. He didn't learn. But we with the pay, where did they give us?
Your time will come, but until
I'm not even close to her brother.
Really? What happened?
Your brother is like, I can't take him anymore. The way he's being the girls, like, have you heard of that campus best or whatever?
Yeah.
Your brother is dating one of them. And my dear.
Are you serious?
Oh my dear.
And my brother told me not to date my guy.
And
Come on,
these
say.
girls had the guts to humiliate him on this campus. All because of her brother.
I'm so sorry about that, okay?
That's
Just
normal.
forget. That is how he is. I'll talk to him. Okay.
To do what? I told him
Oh,
it's
you don't
over.
listen. You know I like you. I will talk to him. Come on.
He's going to deny it.
You need to understand.
chillin' with sober low on rocks, like you see the action. Until they did for one side, yeah, but for the corner there, you know, you crowd, we get some for the pack.
About terror, like, I'm really sorry. I told you he wasn't dating and stuff, but right now I know, say, he's dating, so can you please forgive me? I'm really, really sorry.
Okay, I've forgiven you. But as for terror, we will deal with him because he has come and played with fire, and he will have a regret in his life. I guess you already know the plan.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. She's the only new one, so I'll tell you.
BMJ.
Oh, like seriously, girls, we need to work. Yeah. Like, I'm really scared about that.
No, don't worry, okay? Like, I think we should just go start.
Yeah. So.
Yeah. It be another weekend, the sun is so low, hope we get moving. Maybe you heard them.
What is wrong with you?
My shoes are. If I say me joining my group now.
Group and episode joining.
My group no, we share one of them. It's my kuni pa. Okay, you show me body. Oh, share for example.
Leave me! Are you stupid? Are you gay? Huh?
Capone, I can join your group.
Which group are you talking about?
I mean, I know.
What is wrong with you?
I can join your group.
Stop this nonsense. You think I don't know you?
Me?
I'll get a chameleon. You go here, you pick message.
Me?
You go here, you come here.
You pick messages. Let me
tell you something. If you don't shut up, me myself, as you said, I'll take you off. I will take you off. I will take you off.
Me? Oh, big toy. Oh, make I join you. Oh,
About the Guba Chidia. When you see yourself for the moon. When you bust the air for the air. And you draw the air near you. About the Guba Chidia.
This guy. Yeah. The one who said I can't do anything. Oh.
He's actually the one.
Oh, yes.
Oh, nice. Are you cool? Hey. Who do you think you are?
Who do you think you are?
See.
Let me tell you something. You know me on campus. I'm the bed. You told my girl that I can't do anything to you. Do you know me? I'm the queen.
You are a queen to.
Shut up!
Like, you just relax.
Sit down. I said, no. Take your time. Listen, I was just passing. I was just going to the dormitory. Listen, let me tell you something. I don't have time for you. But I want to tell you that don't fuck up with me, right? Are you here?
Are you done?
I'm not done.
BMJ. Better whether they like it or not, challenges they want to
If you then girls, she will talk. She's gonna make her laugh. See the way I laugh. If the girls she will want to, what they do me for them, you told me about.
Ah, ball pass.
You don't know.
As I come here, I don't say girls. Come in, can't show gaga. Hey, as one girl opening shirt, nigga. The pistol I see. That's what they pour me this in.
they make and they done for that hot sun inside. See that pavement block where them no do. That pavement block where make like this thing, you know, village them are gravel. So, hey, they make and they done for top. What they do me? Hey, what did they pour me crowd? They say they slap them. Hey, oh man, I did do myself say I be man. Yeah, I did talk the crowd. Oh, I didn't then girl raise gun.
He show you scorpion gun.
Oh, he show me gun. I the one. Oh, this the slap they give me. Show what they talk crowd.
Oh, cry on the why they bore me? Be say you talk upon. I know they take the issue serious oneself. In they bore me. Me
masa tire. Yeah, tire. Capon, no capon. We tell him we no agree. Second in command day.
It be so.
So we meet him. So we go tell him what you want tell him. Because me I no go tap there and those girls go come get upper hand for one at all.
That one I no go happen. The second in command come out for talk him.
Yeah, for do things early before things go spoil.
Make it happen. Chillin' with sober low on rocks. Like you see the action. Until they did for one side, yeah, but for the corner there, you know you crowd. We get some for the packet. We thank God for the blessing. He reign every day. See new days to push hard in any given way. In this industry, we here to stay. We no go fade away. Cups in the air, Moku celebrate. Moku celebrate. It's been a long time coming. Yeah, let's have fun. Where, why, one love.